Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, how are you all people of season 5? It's me, your favorite Aswat Asramsa from the well-known English language center Bangladesh, batch PT 100. Today I'm here to talk about a story named Zalut and Talut. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. Once upon a time, there was a group named Bani Israel. The Bani Israel was become very arrogant and careless after the time of Musa alayhi salam. They forgot Allah, so Allah decided to give them a lesson. Allah created Zalut, and Zalut was really cruel and heartless. Zalut gave them more heart and kidnapped kids and women and stole everything from them. Even Zalut stole the Ark of Covenant from them, which was really important for them. So they went to Samuel alayhi salam to pray to Allah and get a king, and Allah decided a king named Talut, but they didn't agree because they said they was really wealthy, better than him. So Allah gives them a proof by give the Ark of Covenant by the angels. Then they agreed, and before that war, Talut have get 33,000 people to fight above 1,25,000 armies of Zalut. So before that war, they drank water from the river, which was have a condition like they have to drink water only some, not more. But more of them just drank water too much. That's why they got disqualified from the war. And then they only were 10 or 15 people in front of 1,25,000 5,000 armies. There was a kid named Daud who only has a stone and throw it to the Zalut's head. So the Zalut died for that. And then they won. And the Daud alayhi salam named as a new prophet and the leader of the Bani Israel for the future. And that's all for today. Thanks for listening me cordially. I hope you like it. Bye.